Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for all my supporters, and if you know you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also leave your comments if you want me to make any video, any prank video, anything at all you want me to talk about. Please comment down below and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and always put your thumbs up, okay guys? And today I will be talking about beating up a child to correct a child. I don't know about others, I don't know what you think about this, but what I think beating a child can never make that child can never change the child. For example, your child do something, or you said you are beating your child just to train your child. No, I don't think you are in fact, you are making that child to be strong. Some children, because they beat them a lot when they were little, they became a fighter. Yes, some children became a fighter because they are already used to it. There's nothing you want to do them again. They started fighting. Some are terrorists, some they just became stubborn, you know. So I don't think beating up a child is a nice thing to do. No, I don't think so. Come to think of it, there was a little boy, we were living together before. So 2 years old though, just 2 years old, it's not up to 5 years, 2 years old child. The mother was beating the child. Why? Because he refused to say thank ma, something like that. He refused to say thanks ma. So the mother was beating him and telling him, tell me thank you ma. This child refused. He said no. The mother was beating this child. The child refused to say thanks ma, and it became serious. I was like, what is wrong with you? Let this child be. Say no, the child must. At the end of the day, this little boy did not say thank you ma. The mother used belt to wipe this little boy. He beat this boy, beat. That boy refused to say thanks ma, just to say thank you ma. He refused to say it. Even with the whole beating, little boy, I'm telling you about, 2 years old child. Even with all the beatings and everything, this boy refused to say thank you ma. Okay, tell me, that child, when he gets to 5 years now or 10 years, won't he do worse than what he just did when he was just 2 years old? He will do worse. So beating a child, even me, when I was in Africa, maybe you beat me because you want me to say something. You beat me. If you like, beat me from here to tomorrow. I will never admit to that you are asking me, or that you are telling me to do. If you like, beat me. Let me be seeing my injury. You will tell me to do that thing. I will not do it. I will not do it. Why? Because you have already beat me. Assuming if you did not beat me, you say, Angel, go and do this. I will do it for you. But immediately you beat me. You beat me and you say I should go and do this thing. Oh my God. I prefer you kill me that moment than me doing that thing. Lie. Even at school, at home, my uncle was very, like, he was very disciplined. He's a disciplined man. He don't want you to insult your elder. There are things that we have rules and regulations in that house. But when anybody in that house beats me, because I'm the last, so they want to frustrate me to insult them, so they will beat me. My own brother, go, the one that is older than me, that one will just look for my trouble every minute, so that I will insult him and will use the opportunity to beat me. So it became an hobby that we started fighting all the time. So beating a child while he or she is growing, just to correct him or to correct her, is very wrong, because you are making them strong and you are making them have a strong heart. So I don't advise mothers or parents that beat their children. I can see a lot of children they built all their body, they have injuries all over their body. It's not nice. All the name of punishment. How can you treat a stubborn child? Take that child to maybe your auntie or your any of your far relative. Take that child to that place. Don't, when you talk to that child, you talk. That child don't want to listen. Take him to a disciplined home. Any home you know there are discipline in that house. Take your child there. Once he mingle with other children, he will learn. He will see that he's the only one different. He will learn. He will know that he's no longer with the mother. Sometimes it's the way your parents treat you. They pamper you a lot. Then you see, then they will start. The children will just start developing different characters. So when you take them to another family, that your sister, your aunt, your any, just make that child to relocate, and you will learn from others. Okay, so I'm going to be ending this video right now, and I will come back and give us more details on how to treat stubborn children. But stop beating your children because you want them to learn. It's not nice. Okay, bye. Thanks for all your love and your support. See you in my next video. Bye.